Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Oh, what's going on, Grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, do you like listening to music? Of course you do. Would you like to get paid to listen to music? Of course you do. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $200 listening to music, and it's available worldwide. Now, if you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed to my channel, what's wrong with you? This is what you need to do. Just hit that little subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And also give me a like. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. And drop a comment down below. And let me know if you have anything, just anything you want to ask about what I talked about today. Just any type of question, just drop it down in the comment section below. Don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win that free money. Because we almost halfway to 3,000. Once I get to 3,000, I'm going to give away some free money to 2 people. So guys, type that down there, hashtag get your grind on, and share this everywhere. All right, without further ado, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I have 3 websites I want to show you. So let's go ahead and get into this. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet. I'm at the first website. And I'll tell you the name of this website in a minute. But you're going to be earning money on this website just listening to radio. So let's just scroll down here and see how it works. So first you're going to sign up. It's 100% free to sign up. And after you sign up and register and everything, you'll be able to go straight to your account. And the third thing you're going to do is start your radio. Here's the good thing. You can start the radio and listen to it on this site, or you can use their API and put it on a website. If you own a website, you can put their API on your website, and if you have customers coming to your website, they'll be able to listen to your music too, and you're going to be earning points for somebody else listening to this radio from this website. How cool is that? And the fourth thing is you're going to do is earn and pay out. So every 15 minutes you get points. So every time you listen to the radio for 15 minutes you get points, and you can convert these points into US dollars. And then you can pay out via bank transfer, Amazon gift card, or Bitcoin. So there's 3 ways right there you can cash out. Now let's scroll down here and just look at a few other things here right quick. So you can style your radio, have it designed the way you want to. And let's see what else they have on here that's interesting. Okay, you can be able to see the statistics of your API if you have it on your website, or statistics from listening to the radio on this website, on your account. And you can earn and pay out. I talked about that before. You can use US dollars, and it'll pay out through PayPal. So that's 4 ways you'll be able to pay out. Now here's some question and answers right here. But you guys, I'm not going to go over all of them. You guys can find out check out these questions and answers once you come to this website, but I'll go ahead and read one or two for you that might be of interest to you. Okay, this is going to be very, very interesting to you. It's available. Say, which countries are possible? You can use our service worldwide. Now, that's a big question that all you guys always want to know the answer to. So that's your answer. It's worldwide. And when can I pay out? No, how long it takes for payment. Now, this might be a downer to you guys, but don't let this discourage you. It pays out 30 days into your PayPal account. So once you listen to the music for like 30 days, then you get paid for listening to music. Look at the bright side. It's going to accumulate a lot of points, and you're going to get paid a lot of money, maybe up to $200 if you listen every day and have the API on your website and have other people listen. So you can make some money. You can make some money from this website. All right, so that's all I'm going to say about this website. So if you want to go ahead and start making some money, listen to the radio, go to radioearn.com. Now let me go to the next website. I have two others to show you. All right, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is Cash for Minutes. So this website is going to be a little bit different than the other one. So on this one, you're going to be listening to internet radio broadcasts. So you can listen to music, talk shows, news. So you might be listening to anything on here and not just music. So let's just scroll down here and read a little bit about it. So this is how it works. So you sign up, set up your unique user profile, and add all the numbers. So what numbers they're talking about is like whatever number you're going to use to call from. So if you have like 2 or 3 numbers, you want to make sure you put those numbers down. So access numbers, choose a number to dial, making sure you always perform a short test. Call to check you are not being charged. So they want you to, check that out, make sure you're not getting charged by choosing a number to dial. And then you're going to get paid. So you're going to reap the benefits and enjoy spending all that extra cash. And right here, you'll be able to easily manage your data. And as you can see right here is a little image of your data. And you'll be able to refer a friend. So every time you refer a friend and that friend makes some money, you're going to get 5% of everything he makes. And that's something else. And let's see what people are saying about this website. Okay, right here, this person says, when it comes to telecommunications, there are loads of businesses that talk the talk, offering this and that, offering that, this, that, and whatnot. But Cash for Minutes actually make it happen. They have enabled me, coached me, and given me the confidence to expand my business in many ways that I could never think about. So this person came here to get their business, to expand their business, and this website helped them out. So basically, it's just straightforward. That's what you're going to be doing. You're just going to be listening to internet broadcasts, and you're going to get paid to do that. Once you sign up, it'll show you how much you're going to be getting paid, when it pays out. And they have some frequently asked questions up here. You can check that out and it'll tell you more about it. I'm just going through this pretty fast because I want to get to the last website because I don't want to make this too long. Okay, let me go to the next website. All right, I'm on the last website, and the name of this website is Hit Predictor. So you're going to be rating music, and you're going to get paid for doing that. Now, let's just read right quick, see what it says. And then I'm going to go ahead and log into my account because I went ahead and registered with this website and just kind of show you how it works. So it says here, help predict the next hit, what we do and why. Hit Predictor gives you the power to directly influence new music before its release. Review music and earn gift cards. For qualifying participants, check out our daily contest and prize store. Start listening today and have your vote be heard. You can make a difference, influence record labels, radio stations, the artists, and their managers on what gets released to the public. Now, let me go ahead and log in right quick and just show you how it works. Okay, I'm in my account. So when you sign up, what you're going to do to start Rate Music, you're going to click right here where it says Rate Music. And once you go here, you're going to put in your screen name. Now, as you can see, some music going to pop up. You're going to be able to click on this button and listen to it. See, there you go. And you listen to this for like a minute and 30, then you go to the next one. And then at the end, you're going to be rating these songs or music from these artists, and you're going to get paid the gift cards. Now, I want to show you one other place, and I'm going to show you how much you're going to receive from the gift cards. Okay, so here are the gift cards. You're going to get Amazon gift card, and it's weekly raffle. They have weekly raffles of $20, $50, and $100. So not only are you going to get paid for rating, you're going to also be able to get paid through raffles. And this is the amount you'll be able to get. And it's going to happen each week. All right, so that's all I'm going to say about this website. So if you're ready to go ahead and start predicting hits and make some money doing it, go to hitpredictor.com. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I have for this video. Go ahead and sign up with those websites and start getting this money. Just listen to music. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get like 100 likes on this video. It's going to really help out my channel and help out this video if I can get 100 likes. And also drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I've talked about today. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win that free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. Come on, guys, let's get it. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers so I can give away this money. It's really itching my hand to give away. And on that note, please share this video everywhere. And let's try to get to 3,000 subscribers, guys. Because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online, become financially free. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss not one video that I drop. Because I make videos like this every other day. All right, that's it. Again, Grind family, thank you for everything. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for the comments that you drop. Thank you for liking all my videos. And as far as the comments, good, bad, just keep dropping the comments, guys, and I'm going to try to answer all you guys' questions. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Please go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on.